Ka mora dilemo tse supileng o thehilwe mokgatlo wa baithuti wa EFF o re wikotla sefuba ka hore o tswela pele ho lwanela ditokelo tsa baithuti.
Is how the police and the state government together with the management in institutions of higher learning has tried to victimize, silence and harass student activists in a manner which tries to silence them, in a manner which tries to make sure that there is no activism which is going on.
University ya Free State mokgatlo ona o se o telletse pele kemedi ya baithuti ka makgetlo a mararo.
EFF Student Command ke yone ba ibuella baithuti mona university ka mathata a ba ba tshwereng.
University e bohareng ya technology diphephetso tse itlhommeng pele ntse e le dithuso tsa ditšhelete le polokeho ya baithuti.
It's challenging for us to challenge the national policy of which is NSFAS guidelines as the university, Central University as a SRC only, which is this is the policy that guides all universities.
Mokga wa EFF o keteka dilemo tse robong o ne o thewe mme moetapele wa Mokga Julius Malema o lebelletse ho tshetleha puo moketeng o moholo ka Moqebelo Bloemfontein. Magala Masiteng, SABC News, Bloemfontein.